Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can backup or recover Snapchat photos or videos. I hope you guys will like the video. This process is same as in iPhone and Android. So if you are at the super outdated version of Snapchat, I would recommend you going into your app store, whether it's an iPhone or App Store or Google Play Store, and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. Now, all you need to do is open your Snapchat application and go to your profile section. Click on the little gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and click on the My Data option that will take you to this page. You can now read all the information available for download. If you want to include your memories as downloadable file, slide the button. Enter your email address that will be used to notify once your export is ready for download. Confirm your email address. You can also filter your export by date range if you want and click on Submit Request. You will receive a zip file of your recovered data on the given email address. This is how you can easily recover your photos or videos on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.